everyone, I'm Miss Olivia and this is Izzy, and we are going to be showing you today some tips, tools, and tricks how to do your hair and makeup. In this video, we will be showing you how to do the makeup for your older dancer. You will need a makeup kit, which you can grab right at the desk. It includes blush, lipstick, and all of your eyeshadow colors that you will need. We also require that you get mascara and eyeliner, and we suggest that you use foundation and powder. To make this look a little more pristine, I am going to use a couple extra steps along the way that I'll kind of explain to you as I go. So first, we are going to use primer. Just going to put a little bit on my hand. And I'm going to use my beauty blender. And you're going to apply this all over the face. Next up is foundation. I did put it on my hand because it's a little bit easier to use, not holding too many things. You're just going to apply this all over the face. I like to first make a cross because I think it's easier to blend that way. Just go ahead and use your sponge to blend it all the way. And try to get it through the hairline so there's no line and down the neck. The next step is eyeshadow. So in this eyeshadow, we are first going to use our white. It kind of has a little shimmer to it, but still matte. And we're going to put that all the way up to the eyebrow and all over the eyelid. And notice with this eyeshadow, there is a little bit of fallout. That is why I wait to do the concealer at the very end of the eyes. Next, we are going to use the brown, and we are going to put that just on the eyelid itself. And we are going to place it from the crease all the way down to the eyelashes. And I do like to V up just a little bit on the outer. Then on the outer corner, you're going to do a triangle of this darker charcoal gray. And I do like to use a very thin brush just so I can be a little more precise. And you're going to go ahead and start by the bottom lashes like you're doing eyeliner basically. And you're going to V it up just a little bit, and then you're going to connect it to the crease. You're going to just fill in that triangle. Then last, you are going to use this maroon color. You're going to find the center of their eyelid and kind of just tap it in. So you are still keeping a little bit of the brown by the inner crease. Then you're going to take a blending brush, something that's a little denser. We're just going to blend everything in. After you're done with the eyeshadow, you can just take a tissue, fold it in half, just to clean up if you have any fallout or anything kind of got a little too far for you. Then I'm going to take some concealer. Go ahead and look up for me. You're just going to dab it on. I like to put powder on, so I'm just going to tap it. Then you don't want too much, so I go ahead and just tap it right in there and then kind of make circular motion so it gets all in the brush and evenly. We're going to just put on this powder all over in circular motion. For those of you who like to use bronzer, I'm going to show you how to contour. So I'm using right now, it's a Hoola from Benefit. And you're going to first start right at the forehead. And you're just gonna kind of go all the way down, circular motions, blends it a little bit nicer. Then you're gonna go right underneath the cheekbone. And don't go too far in. I would say a good point would be to not cross the end of your eye over here, because you don't want to have it look like your cheeks are sunken in too much. Then you're going to take this and just go into a line down the jaw, just to define it on stage. For those of you interested in eyebrows, I'm just going to show you how I like to do those. So I first start kind of mid-brow, and I like to just kind of comb it, little tiny strokes so it looks like hair. Then I like to use my mascara wand and brush up. Next is eyeliner, so I like to have them close their eyes for me. And I like to start in the middle. It's just a little bit easier to control how thick the line is. And I take it out all the way to the corner, and I do not do the wing until the eyes are open. Then I do blow on it just because it is liquid, so it takes a little bit of time to dry. Open up for me. Perfect. After eyeliner, we're going to go ahead and apply mascara. Next we're going to do the blush. So I just like to have them tilt their head. Perfect. And just put it on the apple of the cheek. If you like to add highlight, I'm going to show you how to use it. I just like to take a little bit on my sponge and then go right over where you put that blush. Lip liner is not required, but highly recommended. And the last finishing touch is your lipstick.